you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Still got it looking good. Yeah, I think I remember seeing you in Memphis with it one time, yeah? Oh, yeah, you be riding around. What's the next show you taking it to? Oh, yeah. What you got about? You dim on it? Yeah. All right. Oh, yes, sir. You got plenty here. What you running in here? 3 jar. What kind of stuff is that? Yes, sir. Okay, whatever you got for me. Commercial.
Fear is this.
No hand picking. But hey, you can feel it. I sure feel it. Old school. Old school, how you doing? Ain't no hurt treat is. No hurt treat. Yeah, you can feel it. Oh, you on social media anywhere? You on Facebook anywhere, Instagram or something like that?
No, I'm just a box designer.
You just build boxes and stuff? Okay, where can I find? Can I contact you for some work or something?
Yes, sir. 901-604-9277. Magic Car Audio.
Y'all be sure to contact Magic Car Audio. Get yourself right. Man, I appreciate it, bro. It was good seeing you, man. You know, we'll get together back up there in Memphis.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.